yourself a lot, feeling that spark but not sure it's real? Stay tuned as we review the strongest signs of sexual chemistry backed by psychology. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on attraction and connection. Sexual chemistry between two people is a complex psychological experience that emerges when emotional responsiveness, attention, and subconscious signaling align in a powerful way. Psychology explains that this form of attraction is an accidental but rooted in how two nervous systems respond to one another. When chemistry is present, the connection feels charged even without overaction. One of the strongest signs of sexual chemistry is the way attention becomes naturally focused during interaction. Distractions fade, conversations feel immersive, and the other person occupies a mental space effortlessly. This phenomenon is linked to hidden emotional arousal and cognitive engagement. Eye contact takes on a noticeably different quality when sexual chemistry exists rather than functioning as simple social etiquette. It feels initial, sustained, and emotionally loaded. Psychological research consistently connects prolonged mutual gaze with increased attraction and intimacy. Sexual chemistry often reveals itself through unconscious body language long before conscious desire is acknowledged. Mirroring movements, matching posture, and synchronized pacing signal psychological alignment, and these behaviors occur automatically when attraction is mutual. Emotional attunement is a key indicator of sexual chemistry from a psychological perspective. Both individuals sense subtle shifts in mood, tone, and energy with unusual accuracy. This sensitivity reflects emotional investment rather than coincidence, and conversations shaped by sexual chemistry tend to feel effortless yet meaningful. Topics may move fluidly from light to personal without comfort. Psychology associates this fellow with cognitive compatibility and emotional resonance. A distinct mix of calm and excitement often accompanies sexual chemistry. People feel safe yet stimulated at the same time. This balance reflects the nervous system experiencing both connection and desire. Physical proximity naturally decreases when sexual chemistry is present. Personal space boundaries suffer without deliberate intent. Research shows attraction alters perceptions of distance and comfort. Anticipation is a powerful psychological marker of sexual chemistry. Thinking about future interactions generates excitement and focus. This response is tied to dopamine-based reward systems. Sexual chemistry intensifies when attraction remains unspoken or restrained. Psychology explains that unexpressed desire hidens awareness and emotional tension. This restraint often deepens connection rather than weakening it. Like and subscribe for more. Emotional rhythm is another sign of chemistry. Laughter, pauses, and reactions align naturally. Emotional synchronization reinforces perceived compatibility. People experiencing sexual chemistry often become more self-aware around other person. Tone, posture, and word choice suddenly feel important. Psychology links this to hidden social sensitivity driven by attraction. Mutual curiosity about each other's inner world strengthens sexual chemistry. Questions feel genuine and listening feels intentional. Emotional curiosity has a psychological bonding. Sexual chemistry often creates a sense of exclusivity during interaction. The surrounding environment fades and the connection feels private. Psychology associates this with focused emotional engagement. Silence feels comfortable rather than awkward when chemistry exists. Shared quiet moments feel meaningful. Research shows comfortable silence reflects trust and connection. Sensitivity to touch increases even without explicit contact. Accidental or very physical contact feels noticeable. The brain amplifies sensation when attraction is present. Emotional openness tends to emerge more quickly with sexual chemistry. People share thoughts or feelings sooner than expected. Psychology links this to perceived emotional safety. Sexual chemistry involves emotional risk rather than emotional comfort alone. Most individuals sense something meaningful developing. This awareness as intensity to the connection. Chemistry differs from friendliness because it carries emotional tension. Psychology defines this tension as unresolved mutual awareness. That tension fuels attraction. Interactions marked by sexual chemistry are often remembered vividly. It feel significant afterward. Emotional arousal strengthens memory. Coding could you talk about sexual chemistry in the comments? A vocal tone often shifts subtly when chemistry is present. Voices may soften or slow unconsciously. Psychology connects vocal modulation to attraction. Sexual chemistry usually feels mutually even without confirmation. Inner behavior and responsiveness create shared awareness. Mutuality distinguishes real chemistry from projection. Emotional validation strengthens sexual chemistry significantly. Feeling understood increases desire. Psychology highlights validation as a bonding mechanism. People with strong chemistry often feel drawn back together repeatedly. Interactions feel unfinished. This pull reflects unresolved emotional tension. Sexual chemistry can exist without immediate physical expression. Anticipation alone sustains intensity. Psychology shows desire doesn't require action to remain powerful. Emotional energy often increases after interactions are marked by chemistry. People feel mentally excited or uplifted. This activation reflects emotional engagement. A lot of exciting content awaits you. Subscribe and join us. Alignment and values, humor, or emotional depth deepens sexual chemistry. Shared meaning enhances attraction beyond appearance. Psychology supports attraction through resonance. Reactions feel incentive rather than calculated when chemistry exists. Responses flow naturally. This spontaneity reflects authenticity. Sexual chemistry tends to deepen over time rather than fade quickly. Unlike infatuation, it strengthens with familiarity. Psychology distinguishes lasting chemistry from novelty. Emotional intensity without pressure is another indicator. Interactions feel meaningful without obligation. This balance supports healthy attraction. Awareness of the other person's absence often increases with chemistry. Their presence feels grounding or energizing. Psychology links this to attachment processes. Respect frequently accompanies strong sexual chemistry. Desire and regard coexist. Respect supports sustainable connection. Micro expressions like brief smiles or pauses carry emotional weight. Attraction is often communicated subtly. Psychology emphasizes nonverbal signaling. Understanding the psychology of sexual chemistry prevents misinterpretation. Awareness helps distinguish real connection from projection. Clarity supports emotional intelligence. Recognizing these signs allows viewers to better understand their experiences and relationships. Psychology provides language for powerful but confusing feelings. This video explains how genuine sexual chemistry forms between two people. Thank you for watching. Till the end, see you soon. Have a lovely time.